Did you know that Facebook tracks over 200 points of data on you, even if you're not using the platform? But what if you want to delete your Facebook account and keep using Messenger? I'm going to show you how to do it, step by step, so you can cut ties with Facebook without losing your chats. Let's get started. At Clean Data, we help people regain control over their digital footprint. And while deleting Facebook sounds like a win, you don't want to lose your Messenger conversations, right? That's why today, I'm walking you through how to delete Facebook while keeping Messenger, one of the most requested data privacy tips we've received. Before we dive in, remember, if you're serious about protecting your data, check out our free tools on Clean Data. We've built a suite of powerful resources to remove your personal information from data brokers and other shady sites, completely free. We'll have a link below so you can scan your digital footprint after this tutorial. Alright, let's start by opening the Facebook app. Head to the menu at the bottom right, yep, the three little lines. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Next, go to Personal and Account Information. It's right at the top. You'll see an option called Account Ownership and Control. Tap that. From there, select Deactivation and Deletion. Now this is important. If you choose to delete your account, you'll lose access to Messenger and all your messages too. But if you want to keep Messenger, you'll need to deactivate your account instead. Deactivating keeps Messenger active but removes you from Facebook. Let's do that. Select the Deactivate Account option, and Facebook will ask you to confirm your password. Enter it and choose a reason, something like, "I don't find Facebook useful." Tap Continue, and Facebook will give you a bunch of reasons to stay. Just keep hitting Next until you see the final Deactivate button. Tap it and boom, you're done. Your Facebook account is now deactivated, but your Messenger app will continue to work like normal, using the same email and login info. It's as if Facebook is gone, but your conversations are still right where you left them. If you want to go even further and clean up your entire digital presence, head to Clean Data and use our free tools to remove your data from hundreds of sites. Protecting your privacy doesn't have to be hard. We make it easy. Check it out, and as always, stay safe online.